lonesome dripping, 'cause we're spending the night. And it feels alright, but it's over now. Time keeps slipping with your skin next to mine, and your lips I can fight, but it's over now. You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed? What was it all for? I don't know you anymore. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love me more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back, we colliding.
Hello friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarissa Coward. I am about to share with you a short, maybe not so short, but a prepper pantry, just like a refill, restock, that kind of thing. Went out yesterday and I was surprised that grocery stores are really lacking right now. But I did get what I needed and I'm going to share it with you. So we're going to start with the grocery side of it and then we'll move on to household stuff. Oh, and I'm also going to open and share a Grove Collaborative box with you as well. Okay? Let's get started. All right, so from Harris Teeter, I bought the Eevee eggs. They were $5 and some change, which was a little less than they normally are. I bought the 24 pack because, once again, with the shelves, I used to get 18. They didn't have 18, they had 12, and they had the 24. I bought a bag of collards. There are mushrooms. Elderberry tea. Do you guys like this? I have fallen in love with elderberry tea. It's delicious. 2 cucumbers. And look at the size. I don't like them. They're really big. But this is what Harris Teeter had. I like the little ones, the little crispy ones. 2 bell peppers. And my plan is to make homemade soup over the weekend because it's going to be so cold. And I need to replenish and replace what's in the cabinet. So what I'm going to do is replace what I take out of the cabinet with what I purchased for the soup. I also bought 2 bags of spaghetti, but it's spinach spaghetti. We have found that we like this. We have been trying to eat a little healthier. And this takes the edge off and wanting pasta. It's really good. You might want to give it a shot. We also bought spinach fettuccine. Wet spinach oil. And you can toss it with butter flavored olive oil, or you can add all different kind of seasonings. It's really good. They had, Harris Teeter did have canned goods on sale yesterday. I think they were 5 for 10, 10 for 5. Which was it? You remember all?
It was 59 cents a piece, and then they had some that was 5 for 5.
5 for 5? I think it was. Okay. I got a Rotel because I know I'm going to use this, the hot. Green beans, carrots, 2 corns, 2 limas, and 2 diced roasted tomatoes. Love those things. And so I'll just replace those, switch them out to make the soup tomorrow. I bought a bag of broccoli. I thought it was broccoli and cauliflower, but it's broccoli and carrot. That's for sauteing. I didn't get any cauliflower. Now that I look, I have to pick some of that up. Green bananas, we buy them green because they yellow so quickly before we can go through them. And a bag of steamed green beans. I'm not going to steam mine though. I prefer mine in the skillet, sauteed around with a little olive oil. Okay, now we're going to move to the household items. I'm laughing. Orlando's making fun of me. Okay, so we're going to start with, and the household things we bought from Target yesterday. So we got the Big Bounty, 8 equals 20 pack. I don't remember the price. I think it was like, it was how much?
16.
He remembers. It was 16. Okay. That'll last us a long time though. Oh. I got the Charmin, the Mega, 12 equals 48. And I think this was 13. 13. Okay. I bought a Downy Unstoppables in the fragrance Fresh. Smells really, really pretty. But I also tried, and I'm just trying this because I've never tried it before, the Snuggle Super Care. And this was only $7. And that's why I decided to try it. And they're about the same size too. I think this one has more actually than this one because the bottles are made different. So we're gonna see if it smells like Snuggle. I'll like it. Of course, I have a Dawn. Oh, there's stuff on the floor. It was out of this, the Lysol Sanitizer. You will not believe this game was on sale for $9.97, the big one. I was really surprised. Almost didn't get it. Why, you ask? Because I didn't think it was marked correctly, but it was. It was on sale. And that's the Gain Softer, but I also bought the pods as well. We were out of a lot of stuff, or very low. I hadn't been to the market in quite a while. And I also bought an OxyClean. Okay. Orlando had a coupon. He's a couponer in here. I'm not. I just don't have the patience. I will cut them out, forget them, I'll leave them, they will expire. But he prints them and all of that. So he had a $2 off coupon for the Tide Pods. So he got those. We'll add those to our stash. Tide and Gain. Those are my two go-tos. I bought 2 of these from Target. Both in the clean linen. Nope, I tell you a fib. One is clean linen and one is Hawaiian Breezes. For the bathrooms. The tall kitchen bags, there were, how many in here? 50 bags, and I think they were $8.99. And they're supposed to be the fresh scent. So they smell good too. Okay, in Target, you know that you have to pass that dollar spot, but nothing's a dollar. So I bought these. Isn't that cute? You Are My Happy Place. And then the second one is the black and white stripe. And one of them, let's see which one. I think it's the one without the saying on it. Yeah, it is. Has a pretty fringe on it too. Isn't that pretty? I know. I have a problem with dish towels. I do. I need an intervention. And I bought this little, it looks like a house, doesn't it? But they're really bookends, but I'm not going to use them for bookends. But I will use them in my office. And then the top, you can put pencils or pins or paper clips or whatever in either one. And of course, they're black and white. So they were $5. And so were the, I didn't tell you. I think so were the, yep, dish towels were $5 from the dollar spot. Can of black spray paint. As you know, spray paint is my friend. And I don't know if you guys remember these or not. My mother used to use these when I was a kid to make the bathroom smell good. And you just hang them on the side of the bowl. And they're $1. And they really do still smell really good. So I bought a few to add to my bathrooms. Okay. I'm moving pretty quickly, huh? Let's do Grove. Let me see, where can I sit it?
Over here.
So, hold on, turn the camera around. All right, guys. This is my grow box. If you're wondering about these, I just did a video. It hasn't come out yet. You'll see it soon. Where I purged all of my dinnerware. And so these are going to go away. I don't know where they're going yet, but they're going away. Probably to Goodwill. Or some thrift store. We'll see. But those are going away. That's why they're sitting there. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. It's funny. I just bought some of these. But now I'll have an abundance. That's why we're stocking up, right? These are the fragrance boosters. This one is in ginger mango. And this is by Method, this one. And then this one is Mrs. Myers. And this fragrance is, what is it? Honeysuckle. I should put my glasses on. Honeysuckle and Mrs. Myers and ginger mango in the Method. I think I like the ginger mango better. Orlando says he thinks he likes this one. There's also one dishwashing liquid because I love the smell of Mrs. Myers, but I still use my Dawn, so I'll buy 1 or 2 of these for each season. Now this I loved, and this I use, the liquid creamy baking soda. Nothing cleans my sink better than this so far. This, and I mix it with the liquid vinegar. I love this stuff. And a detergent for my, in honeysuckle, and I use this for my delicates. I know I have all that gang, right? But I use this for my delicates. And there's, I don't use bar soap, but they sent me one. And it's in lavender. It smells so good. I'm gonna put it in my bath, my guest bath. Maybe the powder room down here. And make it smell really, really good. They should have this in a body wash. Oh, and it's really pretty too. It looks handmade, like that expensive soap you buy like at little markets and stuff. It's really pretty. And guys, I think we've done it. I may have missed a thing or two that I've already used. I did. I bought some fresh corn on the cob, and we had some of that for dinner tonight. There were 4 in the pack, and I don't remember, I think it was like $2.97 or something. That was at Target, and it was really good. It tasted really fresh. That's the only thing I think that you haven't seen. So, oh, I did forget something. Hold on a second. Okay, Orlando just reminded me. He wanted you guys to know. Since we're eating healthy, he has found this. It's called Holy Guacamole. That's kind of cute. Holy Guacamole. That's funny. Okay, I haven't tasted it yet, so I'm going to have to read it to you. He bought mild. It has no preservatives added. 70 calories per serving. Serving size is 2 tablespoons. It has really nothing, no cholesterol, only 6% sodium, 1% carb. It's really, oh, it's really good dietary. and total fat is 8%. And he says it tastes great. He bought 2, so it must be okay. So I'll try it tomorrow. But he wanted me to make sure that you knew that he had holy guacamole. The name tickles me. So I think that's it, guys. And I want to thank you for stopping by. Also, for my ride or dies, I have to say, I love you, I love you, I love you. I'm so glad you're here on this journey with me. For my new subscribers, I want you to know that I see you. And I'm so very glad that you're here as well. I hope that you'll leave comments so that we can get to know each other. Suggestions about what you want to see on the site, just to say hello, tell me where you're from, something so that we can get to know each other a little better. And if you're watching and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, why don't you do so? We do things here. It's a lifestyle channel, so we do shopping hauls, as we're doing today. We are doing prepping, which this is going to be a part of that as well, because I am going to prepare my vegetables and stuff, you know, for the week. I'll do a weekly setup tomorrow. We do decor, cleaning, DIYs, a little bit of everything, and it's all, we try to keep it all on a budget. My goal is to live large on a decent sized budget. And with that said, my friends, I'm going to leave you the way that I always do, with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so?